This simple noodle salad is made with bean noodles and it's dressed with a wonderful sweet, sour and salty dressing and topped with shrimp, veggies and herbs.
Welcome back to Cravings and Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making a really simple recipe. We're going to be making a shrimp glass noodle salad. This salad is eaten cold. I love to make this ahead and take it with me for a really hearty lunch. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking.
I'm going to start with the bean noodles. I have 300 grams, that's roughly 10.5 ounces of bean noodles here. I'm just going to cover this with hot water. If I'm going to be cooking the noodles further in a recipe, I will cover it with cold or room temperature water. But in this case, this is all the cooking the noodles are going to get, so the water needs to be hot. I'm going to leave this soaking for 7 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to work on my palm sugar. It comes in a puck like this, and usually if it's not fresh out of the package, it tends to get hard. I have about 2 tablespoons here, and I'm just going to dissolve this in half a cup of hot water. The noodles have cooked, I've drained them, and now I'm going to clip them with my scissors so they're easy to eat later. Now for the dressing. I'm going to squeeze the juice of 2 limes. I'm going to add the completely cooled palm sugar mixture.
I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce.
I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red curry paste. This is my homemade red curry paste, which I will leave a link at the end of this video as well as in the description. You can also just use store-bought red curry paste or any other Thai curry paste that you have. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander or cilantro stems. I've just cut these really fine. The stems of the coriander or cilantro have a ridiculous amount of flavor. Finally, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp. I bought these shrimp that were dehydrated, but I just rehydrated them in some hot water. Mix this well together to make a stunning dressing for your noodles. It's now time to put everything together. I'm going to add the bean noodles in first, and I'm just going to fluff this up. Add a couple of tablespoons of the dressing. I like to add some now so it soaks up, and then I like to add a bit more later and leave some on the side for those who want some more. I'm also going to add a half cup of spring onion leaves. I've cut the part between the bulb and the leaves. Half a cup of carrots. A quarter cup of sliced spring onion bulbs. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sliced red chili. Now these chilies are not very spicy. They give you a hint of heat with a huge burst of color. I'm also going to add a half a cup of sticks of cucumber. Next, I'm going to add 300 grams of cooked shrimp. You can add more or less if you like. I also have a half cup of mixed herbs here. I've got coriander, mint and Thai basil. I'm going to add more dressing, and this is ready to serve. I love to take this with me for a cold lunch. It's delicious and really filling.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for shrimp noodle salad. If you love this recipe, do share it with your family and friends. Make sure to ring the bell as well so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.